What is the matter with him?
He's in very serious condition. We're taking him to the hospital. It looks like a concussion.
They took him to the hospital. How is he doing?
He's dead.
Камина в 6 утра, разбитая душа, и все твои
Did you see his last line?
I was the one in the ring. We killed. It was an accident.
Yuri Boyka, you're under arrest.